How to fix NFL Sunday Ticket low quality video. One main reason for your low quality video would be your internet connection. Go to your Wi-Fi settings. Now check your internet speed. NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube or YouTube TV needs 3 plus Mbps for SD, 7 plus Mbps for HD, 13 plus Mbps for Full HD which is 1080p, and 20 plus Mbps for 4K Ultra HD. So make sure that you check Mbps for your Wi-Fi network. You can also manually adjust the video quality. Go to YouTube and search for the video you would like to play, or you can directly do this on your YouTube TV app. Now I'm just gonna open a random video. You can open NFL's live video. Now in this screen you will see a setting gear icon. Click on that. Now select quality. Now you can manually adjust your video quality. Select the quality that you prefer and start watching. If you are selecting the highest quality, then according to your network, it might lag. You can also improve your Wi-Fi connection by moving closer to your Wi-Fi router, or you can simply restart the router or modem. If there are updates available, then update your browser, or go to your settings of the browser, then select the option Privacy and Security. Now click on Delete Browsing Data, select All Time. Now click on Delete Data to refresh your browser. That's all for today. Thank you.